Assalamu alaikum viewers, welcome to another new video. Today's video I am going to share with you how to install ORDS 21.2 in Oracle 19c database in Linux server. So this is my Linux operating system. Now I am connecting with Oracle user. Uh, I have connected the Oracle user. Now I will connect mobile strum with this IP. Network so slow, sorry for that. And Linux operating system IP is 192.168.1.1.5. Oracle. Yeah, I have connected the Oracle user. Uh, Now we need the ORDS software. You can download it the Oracle site. You can download it from the Oracle site. I have already downloaded. So we need to go we need to upload this. I will upload this Oracle home location. So U01 app Oracle product Oracle home. Here I will upload this ORDS file. So click upload file, and this is my Oracle 21.2 uploading. Yeah, upload successfully. Upload done. This is the Oracle ORDS software. Now we need to go this location. So copy this location and go to this location. Network is very slow. Here we need to paste. Not copy at all. Control C, CD. So CD and paste. Press enter. Yeah, now I am connected the Oracle Home. Now unzip. File name is, I will copy the file name. Control C. Unzip and paste the file name. Paste and press enter. Press enter. Unzip successfully done. Okay. Now I need to go the ORDS location. ORDS. Unzip successfully done. Now I will run the command for run ORDS. To run ORDS, we need to command java-jar ords.word. I just copy this, and you must go to the ORDS location and paste here, press enter. We are seeing we need to install Java 11 to install ORDS properly. So we need first install Java 11. So now I am going to the Oracle site to download Java 11 and Java 11 Linux. Okay. Linux 64 compressed. So download, review, download here. To install Java 11, first we need to upload. So this is the JDK 11. Upload here. Yeah, upload successfully done. So now I will go to the location cd U01 ls. Yeah, this location have this JDK file. Okay, now I will unzip.
এলাকায় সবাই মিলে টাকা টোকা গুছায়া লাস্ট গাড়ি উঠেছি তারপরেই ধাওয়ানিটা শুরু হয়েছে তখনকার পুলিশে পাল্টা ধাওয়াতে মায়ের সরাগুলি হলে তো বস শরীরে আর কতটা কম হতো হাড্ডি ভাঙতো না গাড়ি গুলি করা হয়েছে গাড়ি গুলি কারণ আজকে আমার পাও আসলে রাস্তার টুকাই পাগল রাস্তার কুকুর কোনো কিছু বাদ যায় না নতুন বাজারে আপনি খোঁজ নিয়ে দেখেন রাস্তার কুকুরও মারা গেছে এতটাই এলোপাতারে গুলি করছে তারা আমরা তো কোনো দল করি না আমরা তো সাধারণ মানুষ আমার একটা 7 বছরের ছেলে আছে
Now we need to create the base file. So yes. Perfect. Okay, we need to set the best profile. We need to paste the Java environment. To make Java environment, we need to paste this code. See, paste, escape, termination, .q. Okay. Now we need to check. Yes. Now we need to check. Now I will check. Equal yeah, Java home. Sorry. We can check it again. To connect another user, another session. 192. 160. Okay, my environment set, Java environment set done. So next step is now I will check the Java version. To check the Java version, we need to write Java version. Sorry. Java version. Here. Copy. Press enter. Yeah, my Java version shows this. That means Java installation successfully done. So thank you for everything. Thank you for watching my video. Allah Hafiz.